This is 3D part 1, where you are going to add validation rules to some of the fields. You're asked to add 3 validation rules, and they have to be on different fields and they have to be different validation rules. You won't know for the real tasks what the mark scheme is going to be like, and so it might be worth doing more than it asks for on the real coursework. I'm going to show you the different types of validation rules that we can use. Before we start, let's just have a look at topic of inquiry. This automatically validates the data because you can only select the items from the list. However, it doesn't show an error message, and the question asks for an error message, so we can't use that. We also need to be aware of how we're going to create these validation rules. If you've got software like Dreamweaver or something else, then you might be able to use built-in functions that will write the JavaScript that will do the validation for you. However, we can just very quickly manipulate the HTML code into HTML5 code by editing the source code of our web page. So if I click on source, you'll see now here is our source code, and here are all the inputs. So we can see here that this is the forename, and it is an input of the size of 20 and a name of forename, and that is what we can now manipulate to change it into HTML5 code, which will include some validation for us. So the next tutorials will take you through each different type of validation check that we can use.